Very nice. But there's part of my video. Nice people from the cruise ship. I love cruise ships. The social media. The social media. Wow. So they come off that one there, the regatta. I can only afford to go on a ferry. I can only afford to go on a ferry across to Devonport, or Waiheke Island, but well, we got a beautiful country. Got the KFC. KFC always sticks out, eh? Harbour Seafood. Yeah, man. Beautiful one. Oh, God, that was my favourite place. So gorgeous. Beautiful place. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful place. I love it. Look at this. Gorgeous setting. Oysters, shaka. Ice cream. Airplanes, seagulls. Waiheke Island, Auckland City. It's bloody hot. What a beautiful ship, eh? Oh. Viking Sky. One Voyage. Where must we go today? Going back to Sydney.